bug's life. It's a bug's life. Grasshoppers come knocking on my door. I say you had enough, I ain't taking anymore. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Yeah, not talking about money, man, I'm talking about years. I was born in CA, raised in AK. Went back and forth to WA. Stay, wait, travel in the West. It's not up for debate when I state it is the best. I coast along the coast, fill a glass up, then we toast. It's a great host, making friends with the postman. Living to the most, man, fasten up the slow jam. Smile on my face when I'm with the whole fam. Everyone just holds hands, I break free. Got my mother saying, oh baby, she's a lady, so you better treat her nice. That woman is my world, she's the one that gave me life. The one I love so much, you're the one that I touch with my music. Use it, abuse it, come on man, lose it. It's a bug's life. It's a bug's life. Grasshoppers come knocking on my door. I say I give you enough, you ain't taking anymore. It's a bug's life. It's a bug's life. Grasshoppers come knocking on my door. I say I give you enough, you ain't taking anymore. Age 14, I was happier than most. I was young and in love, man, I don't mean to boast. Not saying names, but she left me soon. Now I had time to make a little room. I grew, and others left me too. A word to my exes, I would like to thank you. You all helped me become the man I am today. And if it wasn't for you, I would have never gotten laid. Age 16, and 2 years beyond, I was a bit of a fiend, man, the people that I wronged. Fuck, I'm sorry I was young and I was dumb, thinking life was oxygen ripping from my bum. It's not though, lessons man I got those. Living by a life code, it might seem psycho. It's not though, it's promo, it's primo. Bleeding out some Pinot, sewing up the seams when I'm riding with the team, yo. Everyone is conscious when they truly find themselves, and everything's a trophy when you put it on a shelf. All of us deny that we need another's help, so you do it on your own, man, help your fucking self. It's a bug's life. It's a bug's life. Grasshoppers come knocking on my door. I say I give you enough, you ain't taking anymore. It's a bug's life. It's a bug's life. Grasshoppers come knocking on my door. I say I give you enough, you ain't taking anymore. Find yourself a hobby that is almost always healthy. I chose to make art, my fan page is stealthy. I pulled my inspiration from a hometown rapper. He goes by Rod Dog and I got him on this clapper.
Time flies, days pass, move on, cash checks, repeat, huh? This is how we live, see I'm back on me. Henry on the mic, Henry on the field, mobbing in the lights. Used to live a drug life, bar life, now I'm on a bug's life. Bars right, moving on, alright. Shout out to Taylor, we miss you fam. Shout out to Taylor, I miss you damn. Unplanned life moves, but that's life cool. Now I'm living right, making the right moves. Still right for the right who writes in a full moon. Still right for the person lost in a full room. I write to right wrongs, alright long as I write songs. My mic's all I got. You know I'm back like y'all forgot. You know the name, Flashback, Detox, Raja. We back, you know, throw your hands up, stand up. We here, love life, it's a new year. Who here? Ryan June here.
It's a bug's life. It's a bug's life. Grasshoppers come knocking on my door. I say I give you enough, you ain't taking anymore. It's a bug's life. It's a bug's life. Grasshoppers come knocking on my door. I say I give you enough, you ain't taking anymore. It's a bug's life. It's a bug's life. Grasshoppers come knocking on my door. I say I give you enough, you ain't taking anymore.